Hi everyone, it's my first unboxing video. I just signed up for the Mani by Me from Maniology, and this is going to be my very first month. I ordered the cafe month, so let's open it up and see what's inside. Maybe. I mean, I already know what's inside, but you know. Just oh yeah, this is my first box, so I got the free clear stamper and scraper set. So you only get that in the first box. But, receipt, don't need that. Mani by Me, not Mani X Me or Mani and Me. I learned that just recently. Mani by Me. Yay! Alright. Espresso yourself. Nice. Cream and sugar. Beautiful lips. Cute. And there's a little sample of what you can do with this kit, just to kind of get you started. And yay! Why I really wanted this, actually. Well, one of the many reasons. The Coffee Butter Lip Balm. I cannot wait to try that on. I am a lip balm freak. I have them everywhere. My purse, my nightstand, my locker, my apron at work, everywhere. Yay! The infamous gummies, delicious and not nutritious, but delicious. And let's see, so it's going to be the polish, the guide that I no longer need. And we've got the 2 plates. So we've got the delicious foods and the delicious drinks. Oh gosh, I can't wait. And then let's see the polishes. The polishes I'm super excited for too. I don't have any good brown stamping polishes. I have a lot of other colors, but no browns. And my other coffee manicures have been not as I always wanted them to be. So we've got these guys here. So we've got this guy is latte, and it does look kind of like a latte. That delicious creamy, lots of cream in my coffee look. And this one is the boba, and it does kind of look purpley in there, but after I swatch it we'll find out, because everybody's manis are looking like it's just a regular brown. But it does have a little bit of a purple tint in the bottle, but as we all know, it's always different in the bottle. So yeah, so that's my kit, and I'm super excited, and you guys all know what the stamp and the scraper look like. If not, I'll show you one that's already open. Stamper, Maniology, and I have so many scrapers, how do I find one? Here we go. Very loved and used. You can see all the schmutz on the side there, but that's what it's going to look like when I open it. So yeah, I'm very excited. Can't wait to get started, and once I get a manicure down, I'll show you guys. Those are seriously adorable. Oh my goodness. I already have a couple coffee plates, but these are just adorable. Oh my god, I love the little polka dot cup and the little hearts. I've never had a coffee that actually had one of those designs on there. I guess my coffee places aren't that fancy. Alright, oh, I'm going to use that one a lot too, probably. Alright, blank canvas cup, I like that. that one's in the instructional card that they gave us. Shows you how to do one of the fingers, which is actually really cool. I always forget when I'm doing a manicure that you can, mix colors. I'm just so used to doing the traditional one color base coat type of deal. So it's good to have a little reminder every once in a while. A little step-by-step guide on how to make this cute little Love You a Latte with the heart underneath of it, which I will definitely be trying. So that looks very interesting. And then I'm not even going to bother with the tweezers this time because I know I can't do it. They should make these little films, the protective films, which are great, we need them, but they should make them with like a little piece that like hangs over that you can just grab and peel back. So Maniology, if you see that, or all stamping plate makers, a little tabby that hangs over the edge would be just fabulous. Shouldn't be that hard to do. I mean, I don't know, I don't manufacture them, but I'm sure it can be done. Oh my god, this looks so fancy. Oh, adorable. This coffee butter lip balm was very exciting, and what really lured me into finally signing up for the monthly thing just so I could get this. And let me tell you, oh my god, I cannot stop smelling it. Like, I am holding it up to my nose right now. And they say the smell of coffee actually helps lower your stress levels, so I'm basically going to carry this around at work with me, and every time I get mad or stressed or angry, I'm just going to whip it out, take a deep breath, and just feel my troubles melt away. It'll be amazing. Also, I'm reading the ingredients. It's made with actual coffee, the coffee flavor, but also actual Kauai grown coffee. That is super cool. I'm so excited. I cannot wait to start wearing this, and oh my god, it just smells amazing. Seriously, you have to get this.